Durgesh from Ultimate. I'm not like what we can say other. I'm different from the others. Means my life started from the small village, small town where there were 25 members there, and we were there. They were living with good works, with enthusiastic, and they have something to do. Everybody was coming my home. We were spending all these things. When a small child born in nuclear family, so family members were sharing and doing something different because I was very good, and my face like I was totally different from them, what we can say foreign, my health, like my body, my beauty, like this. So when I was born, so I was thinking about myself, what is my life, what's my purpose. I had not known about it. I had no idea. When I was 10 years old, when my age turned to 10, the age of 10, so I was thinking about that. So I should be a doctor because I was doing something herbs study booty like this to using to caring about family members. When I went to first class till fifth class, I had no any idea about my work, that what's going on with me. When I was in first class, so my age may be 12 to 15, the admits of 12 and 15, between 12 and 15. So teacher told me that it is a written on the board. That was a written on the board onion. Maybe I wrote onion. Okay. Onion means yeah, it's like that. So she wrote on the spelling on the board like onion, and she asked me a question. Durgesh, what is it written on the board? So I said, ma'am, I don't know. She said, why? I said, I said that I don't know. That ma'am said to me that you cannot learn English. You don't know the simple spelling of onion. So I depressed from their side. I'm telling the short. After that, my life started going their side well. When I came in seventh class, so ma'am said to me that you are today's our class monitor. In seventh class monitor, you are selected. So I said that, okay ma'am, I will do my work with gratitude. I will respect to every students, and not only students but also I will respect to myself. So somebody was talking there, girls. I always had girls and hated to girls because I was thinking that girls are not good because some reason behind it. I will tell in the later. So they at that time was some girls. Her name was I don't know. I forgot. So she was talking again and again, again and again. So I said to her, don't talk, don't talk, don't talk. She didn't listen to me, denied all that time. So I talked to ma'am. I said to ma'am that he is talking, and she said to ma'am that he is only writing my name except to other, like this, apart from other. So ma'am slapped on my cheek and said that you don't like my name, don't play on words, otherwise I will beat you. I said to ma'am that if she come to me and anywhere I see to her, then I will kill her because that time I was too much depressed. I was not thinking about myself, what is happening with me. So I was not coming out from the dilemma when I came at the class. So I had not idea about English. So my ma'am, everybody was reading English, but I was not reading English. So she said to me, Durgesh, come here and read. Then I started reading that. I stuck in the message. So she slept again. Everybody was laughing to me. Also, see, girl, that one girl, she was laughing to me. Then I came ninth class. Then I had no good chemistry with people when I came ninth class. So I was studying Khadi, Asta Tehsil Khadi. So I came ninth class and I had good chemistry with my friends that time, and they were well acquainted with me. So I was thinking that I should learn to them. I started learning. I started coming to school. Sometimes I used to come walk on foot. Sometimes I used to bring bicycle by bike, taking lift by others, and going sometime walk on foot. I was feeling tired, but not too much nervous because I had no idea what is happening with me and what is my life actually in the reality, in the really. So I went there after that. When I came to in ninth class, so I thought about myself that I should learn English. In ninth class I learned English, so my teacher was teaching English, but I was not understanding even the one single sentence like I am going. So in ninth class I got in English 100 out of 70 marks. So my social no, sorry science teacher told me that how did you get too much marks, huge marks in the English, because you don't know English, your writing is not good, too good, not good. So I said to that my friend, imitate, and he copied me. He made me copy. So I said, sir said to me that I am going. He wrote on the board. What does it mean? It will mean. That time my villagers also they were coming, they were in the class, so I was writing I am going. So said that asked me that what is written on the board. I said I don't know. He said you don't know single sentence. You are thinking that you get 100 out of 70 marks. But that time also I felt bad. When I came 12th class, I passed out. I started going there side. I passed out in the 10th class 83 percentage, and in 12th class 33. Then from 12th class, after 12th class started learning English, and then I came here, I started learning English, but I had no money that time. I wanted to be a doctor, so I thought about myself that I should go to any time, I should talk to people. I had no money, I was not thinking. So I thought that I should jump from the roof. I should jump from the roof because I had no chance that side, and I was thinking, what will I become in my life? So like this, so it was happening with me, but I controlled myself. I started watching some motivational videos. I started meditating and doing something different from my life, changing myself, going to temple, chanting Hanuman Chalisa at a time, or reciting all these things. So it so happened with me. I want to talk about my birthday. Just I am coming the last. My birthday comes from 15 January. On 15 January, so sorry, 15 July. So when there was my birthday on 15 July. So I was going to teach an online class with Madissa. So that time I had bicycle. I went here to there. After that I was coming from their side to my bicycle chain broke out. So I was coming back on foot, and that day it was my birthday that day. So I was feeling, I was crying, I was thinking that I will die, I will do like this. But I thought about my parents. But they, how much hard work they have done in their 50 years. In their 50 years, the age of 50 years. And how did they work hard? How did they feel? They had faced a lot of problems in their life, but still they are happy. Still they are happy. First lesson I got from them, I never cried. Second, I was not thinking about myself. I was wasting money, wasting time, or talking nonsense to people. I was addicted by tea, not mobile, addicted by tea. So I thought I have to leave tea, I have to leave tea, but I was not able to leave. So one day I thought for my parents, I will leave the tea, and I left the tea. I have completed 4 days. So I want to say to you that don't think about